I'm going to show you how to wash the Sauvage. So it doesn't matter what the length is. All right, so the Sauvage, this is your front right here. And you can see there's little baby hairs right there. And the back is usually where you'll see the markings, which will say top secret hair accessory. So wherever you decide to part it, you never want to scrub these. So let me show you. I'm going to put it in the sink. I'm going to wet her. Oop. I highly recommend the shampoo that the salon sells because it was formulated for extension hair, and it's really a high quality shampoo. It will not dry out the hair. And I always just gently go in there. I'm not gonna like scrub it like a scalp. I'm just going to I have it very saturated with water. And then, I want to make sure that this gets really clean, because that's what's touching the scalp. And then I'm going to just let the water come off. I'm going to take the shampoo off. I don't have to do anything that's going to rough up the hair. And I rinse till clear, and then we'll get into conditioning. And then we have our treatment, and I just use a little bit. I have it on my hands. My hands are wet, and I just kind of pull it through. And then I'm going to rinse it. If you feel you need to leave it on longer, you can leave it on for for a bit longer if you feel your piece. You've had it for a while and you just want to really deep condition it. It's a beautiful hair treatment, and it even works like a mask. You could use it on your natural hair too. So I always like to make sure I have a towel around. I very gently place it in my towel. And then I'll show you how to. After I finish washing the hair, I like to keep it in my towel. I like to make sure that I take off excess water, and then I can place it onto my head. I always tell customers that the head is so incredibly important to have. So again, this is the front, this is the back. Make sure all the clips are closed before placing it on. Sometimes they open while you're washing it. And we want to make sure the pin will go through this area right here that has like a plastic outer lining. So I'm going to put it, I don't want to get it in the clip, so I'm placing it right here so it's not hitting the lace. So we don't want to tear that lace. Alright, so I have 4 clips in. And then I have my part still. I have my original part because you saw how I didn't rough up the hair. I just very gently let the water roll down, and I was able to get a sud still, and then thoroughly clean. And again, if it's still very wet, I have my towel right here. Now, from this point on, you can do one of 2 things. You have it on your form, and you could let her air dry overnight. And then you could just touch up with styling tools the next day. And the other option, if you wanted to style right after you wash it. So what we're gonna do is, I like to have a blow dry spray. We do sell them here, but you could use any brand that you like because it really helps with heat. And I tell everyone to get like head and stand. Of course, it's essential, and then also a product for heat. So I'm gonna blow dry roughly to just take off all the extra water. I'm gonna make this really sleek, so that's just steam from the a little bit of wet, but this is all human hair, and we can curl it, straighten it. I just like a nice sleek straight look, and that's from the product I put on. It has a little bit of like an oil in it, and that product was to help with heat so it doesn't damage the hair. So if I had my comb underneath, I can really get a nice pull from the iron, and I can really get this hair silky and beautiful. So I'm back to show you another change of hair. So this is a Sauvage, and this is a 14-inch in the color 1B from Top Secret Hair Accessory. So now I'm going to open up the clips. Okay. And again, some people are flippers. I'm going to just place it. I'm going to go about an inch back over here. And this is a darker shade than my color, but it still can work. I'm gonna clip that right here. So it's gonna look like I have highlights now with my medium brown hair. They're such versatile pieces. I'm gonna get this other clip on the side. All I have to do is scoop and then press down. Scoop and press down. Look how easy that is to get a color change. You don't have to worry about going to the salon. You guys saw me blow out this piece, wash, and blow dry it, so now you know. And look at that. So with this one, my natural hair is a little bit longer, but you can still see how versatile these pieces are.